This ABC15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.
Hi there, I'm Kaylee O'Kelly with your top stories from ABC15 Arizona. Today, the Arizona Department of Health Services will drop its latest COVID-19 weekly data. Arizona could continue to see cases go up. The CDC listing all but one county in our state with a high level of community transmission, and that means masks are recommended in public indoor places. Mojave County does remain at that medium community transmission level. 5 weeks after Election Day, two candidates are fighting their campaign losses in the courtroom. Judges have set dates to hear arguments from the Kari Lake campaign and from Mark Fincham's campaign. Fincham claims the Secretary of State abused her power by failing to have tabulation machines properly certified. That hearing is going to happen on Friday, while Kari Lake is seeking to overturn the election results. A judge will be hearing that case Monday. History made as President Biden signs the Respect for Marriage Act. That measure does require all states to recognize all marriages, regardless of race, ethnicity, or national origin. The legislation also aims at protecting interracial marriage.
I'm so thankful that President Biden included interracial marriage in that as well, because there are some people that want to take that away and want to go back to the segregated view that the country had previously.
And because the law doesn't require states to issue same-sex marriage licenses, marriage equality advocates say they won't be letting their guard down in the fight to ensure equal rights for all. This marks 1 year since Phoenix police officer Tyler Moldavon was shot 8 times in the line of duty. And obviously it has been a difficult year for him, suffering from brain and spinal cord injuries, but he has beat so many odds as he has continued to work on his recovery. We know he's starting to walk again. In fact, just last month, Tyler pinned his brother during his Phoenix Fire Training Academy graduation. It was emotional. Researchers are working on a possible vaccine for skin cancer. Moderna and Merck saying patients who took the potential vaccine and Merck's immunotherapy Keytruda did see a 44% reduction in the risk of death or for the cancer returning. And the companies are planning to begin phase 3 of this study next year. Let's talk about gas prices. They're dropping again today. Diesel drivers, though, not getting relief at the pump as prices do remain much higher than regular unleaded in that category. You may not think this impacts you, but it is a trickle-down effect.
I just know that it drives the prices of everything else up. I mean, everything like a gallon of milk costs outrageous just because it costs so much to put it on the trucks and drive it over here.
Okay, so let's give you a price comparison here. Nationally, regular unleaded is down to $3.21 a gallon. In Arizona, it's down to $3.64, but diesel still is there at $4.87 a gallon. Grand Canyon University once again freezing tuition costs for a 15th straight year. Tuition will still be about $16 grand for the 2023-2024 school year. And for the latest headlines, weather, and traffic, head to abc15.com or just download our ABC15 mobile app. Make it a great day.
This ABC15 Flash Briefing is sponsored by Sanderson Ford. All roads lead to Sanderson Ford.